Hey everyone, this is Kevin at My Fitness Chef Chicago, a body matrix company. So anyway, today I just wanted to talk about something that I use when I want my rice fix. So there's this product. It's giant green riced veggies. So that's the product right there, riced veggies. And I know people are like, ooh, frozen vegetables. Well, the truth be told, frozen vegetables are minimally processed. They still contain most of the nutrients, if not all of the nutrients that you get if you get it fresh. So anyway, I made a taco bowl last night and I wanted rice. So I use this product here. Again, it's Green Giant Rice Veggies. And I use an app called Fujicate to check it out. So Fujicate, and it's spelled Fooducate, Food U Kate. And it's a great app because they rate the food and then they break down why they give the food an A versus a B versus a C versus a D. And this product got an A. And one of the reasons is because there's no added sodium, there's no added sugars. It's minimally processed, high in vitamin C, and they consider this to be a top product in its category. So it's basically frozen vegetables. So I would definitely recommend this. So again, it's the Green Giant Riced Veggies, cauliflower and broccoli rice mix. 4 carbs, that's 85% fewer calories. It's gluten-free, it's 100% vegetable. There's no sauce or seasoning added to it, so you can season it yourself. It's even got a little recipe on the back of here. Garlic, Parmesan, rice, cauliflower, and broccoli. Gives you a little recipe for it. Some olive oil, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 clove garlic chopped, 2 tablespoons of grated Parmesan cheese. So if you're doing a ketogenic diet, and you want your rice fix, say with like a taco bowl or any type of maybe just, you know, you're doing your meat, you want something that's got a rice feel to it. Like I say, I did this and I would definitely recommend doing it. I think it's great. And I'll get more of these. I think it was like $3.99 for this bag. And it looks pretty good. Let me go grab it real quick. So I've still got some left over. So if you take a look at it, kind of looks like that right there. And it's got that broccoli smell and that cauliflower smell. You know, like I say, if you're doing a ketogenic diet and you want some rice, you definitely should invest in getting some of that. They've also got cauliflower and broccoli tater tots, and they've got fries also. I haven't checked those on Fujicate, but I'm going to check those and see how they rate when I go to the store, because I have a big cooking class that I'm doing at a new building tomorrow. It's a demo, and when I go to the store tomorrow, I'll check those out and then I'll let you know how they rate with Fujicate. But I definitely would recommend the riced veggies. It's great. Green Giants, good job. All right. Happy New Year. I hope your teams, I'm in Chicago, the Bears didn't do it, but you know what? They'll do it again next year. Anyway, peace out.